Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about a clothing haul. Now I would like to mention here in the beginning of the video that this is a sponsored haul. Republic of Curves, they've sent me a big, okay, I've received a big box of clothing from them. Republic of Curves is all about gym wear, yoga pants, uh, very fancy jackets. This winter is coming up. They have bell bottoms, straight pants, a lot of other good stuff. So I'll go ahead and show you what all I've got from them, and also in the description box below I'll mention their coupon code to use for Amazon. They are available on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Instagram also. Like I mentioned, their website is under construction though, but there are lots of other ways you can get your hands on their products. Their products are really good quality. I'm not saying it just because I'm sponsored by them, but I've worn them, I've tried them, and they're really good, and they're reasonably priced also. So I'll mention all of their details in the description box below. Yeah, so go ahead and check that out. All right, so the number one is these bell bottom pants that I've got from them. These are in like a bottle green color. This is a really good quality, by the way. I really like it, and it's super stretchy. It will hit your curves right. It'll hide all the extra flap falling out, if that's the right word. Um, but they feel really good. The fabric is really nice and thick. It's not very loose fabric, or it's not see-through. It's one of those. It's really good. All right, so the next product here I've received from them is a suede jacket in tan. There it is. It has a really nice metallic zipper in the front, two pockets on the side with the zippers. I'll again put a cutout of this jacket once I try that on. I'll show you exactly how it looks on. It feels really nice and soft. It's good for winters. Of course, you'll have to layer it out. It's not very thick like a winter jacket would be, but it feels really nice. You'll have to obviously layer it up. Oh, and I should also mention the prices on this. This is for $14.99. It's a short jacket. It's not a very long one. It's a short one. It's $14.99. I should also tell you the price of the bell bottoms. These bell bottoms were for $12.49. Oh, these bell bottoms were for $12.49. The next product I have here is suede check pants. These are straight-legged uh, check pants. These are back in fashion. I used to wear them a long time ago, and then everybody stopped wearing it. I guess they went out of fashion, but they're back in fashion. Again, it's a stretchable material. It doesn't have any zippers or any buttons on it, which is what I like. And then it has two pockets on the side, two on the back, which you can open and use. This retails for $14.99, and I love the fabric. It's super soft. It's very stretchy, super soft. It's gonna be really good for winters because it's thick. It's a thick fabric. It's good for the winter season that's coming up now. Next we have, what are these called? These are called Zurich pants. They come with a belt. It's like a very wide-legged, not a bell-bottom type, but it's very loose from the top to the bottom, like so. It's very loose. They're like loose pants. Again, elasticated. It comes with a tie belt. You could tie it up if you wish to, or if you wish to remove it, go ahead, do so. Um, and with these, you'll have to tuck in your t-shirt and wear it if you want to tie the belt at the waist. Comes with two pockets, and I like the color also. It's really very good. It's a pretty color. It's a fawn color. This retails for $12.49. Next product I've got from them are these black yoga pants. They're super stretchy. Feels good. It's not a very, you know how some of the yoga pants are see-through. If you bend down, your legs and your bum are see-through in this. It's this doesn't feel the same way. It's pretty good actually. You'll have to try it on to know. And they come down to your ankle length, which how yoga pants are supposed to be. And these retail for $11.99. It's a good fabric. The yoga pants that I currently wear are from Nike, and they retail for approximately, I got them on a discount for I think 1700 bucks. Um, this is a similar fabric, and surprisingly, this is relatively cheaper than the Nike ones. Obviously, Nike, the brand, sells it. This is a really good product. These are really good yoga pants. Do get them. And last but not the least are another yoga pants. These are called printed yoga pants. They look like leatherite pants. You know how you get leather pants, but they're super stretchy. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Rexine. I think that's that fabric. But they're yoga pants. This is a navy blue print. I really, really like it. I can't wait. I haven't tried these ones yet, but they look very nice. Look how stretchy they are. Man, really, really good stuff. And this retails for $11.99 again. And that is it for all the products that I've received from Curves of Republic. And yeah, go ahead, do check them out. The products are really, really good. They've got a lot more stuff. They've got dresses, they've got shirts, t-shirts, fancy tops. They've got a lot of good stuff. So go ahead, do check them out on Instagram. Also, I wanted to mention here, if you were to order something off of Amazon from Republic of Curves, they only have their basics being sold online. So like the basic yoga pants, the basic tops, or the basic gym gear. But if you want to get their latest trend that they're selling out right now, you'll have to check that out on Instagram. Go ahead and DM them on Instagram and they'll get back to you immediately. And yeah, that is it. I really hope you like all the stuff that I've shown you, and I hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.